Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the unlimited resources Monopoly Go, no jailbreak or computer needed. You know, dice, coins, all that stuff. So let's go into the shop and I'm going to show you guys what's currently going on with my account. And then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. So as you can see guys, my dice are going up like crazy. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get rich just like me guys. This actually works. This is a 2023 method guys. You are not going to believe it, but it does work guys. So let's get right into the video. Look at that, 100K. And I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So yeah, this is pretty ridiculous, but it does work, guys. So I'm going to show you how to get just like me. So what you want to do is follow every step in the video. So we're going to go over to this website, diceglitches.com. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's diceglitches.com. So let me just go ahead and hop on over to the website. Okay, so once you're on this website, guys, what you want to do is go ahead and fill in your Monopoly Go username. And also, guys, we need to select our platform. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. You can see it says get unlimited dice, and it's a pretty cool website. They got a lot of features on here, but you can see that you need to select your platform. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my username right here. So let me just go ahead and put that in. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here, and then we're just going to go ahead and choose our platform. So I'm using an iPhone, and then I'm just going to go ahead and press proceed. So let's just go ahead and do that right here. So anyways, now that we are going to be searching the database for our account, so I'm just going to give it a second, and it found my account, so that's cool. So now it's going to ask us how much dice do you want to add to the account. So I'm not really interested in a low amount, so I'm going to go for 9999, and then I'm just going to go ahead and press proceed. So anyways, what it's going to do now is send the dice into my account. So let's just go ahead and wait for this to load. So I'm just going to give it a second. All right, so it's just going to search the database and all that stuff. It's not really that fun, but it's a working guide. It does work. So we're just going to give it a second for this to load. And it is now going to sync the dice and finalize the process. Now, there might be a verification that pops up. You got to do like a Walmart offer or a Shein or something like that. But I didn't get it this time, but I've heard stories that it can happen to people. So let's open up Monopoly Go, and no way it works. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. This is crazy. So if this tutorial did work for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it and get the word out about this method. I mean, I'm not really interested in low-level methods. Look at this, 199. You call that low level? I don't think so. So if this tutorial did work for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. This is super insane, guys. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. I'll see you later, and peace out.